back to another video. It's Jacob's Amazing World of Adventures, back with you today, bringing you an awesome video. And you guys are going to like this one, I know, especially for you haters out there. You know who you are, that subscribed, that you left on my Sarah. You're going to like this one because I'm going to hurt myself, okay? Yeah, let me just go show you. I'm really stupid and I did this, guys. I did this for you guys, actually. The people that know about this, they didn't know I did it for you guys. They thought I was just being stupid. I'll show you guys. Yeah, we got 50 fidget spinners in there right now. 50 fidget spinners plus whatever I have had before. Yeah, I'm putting them on the trampoline and I'm going to jump on them without a shirt on. And it's going to hurt really bad, I'm guessing. But, anyways, I got some people who said they were inspired to do YouTube because of me. And they're wanting to know what I film with. And they were asking, so I don't have my cameras outside right now because I'm outside. My parents are inside sleeping, but, yeah, I have this, which is a mini tripod that I use for my toilet paper fort videos. Right now I have my phone, my selfie stick on it because I've been recording with my phone because my camera is broken. It's in the shop. Once I do get that back or get a new one for Christmas, I'll be using that. But anyways, I have this, and I also have, it's called the Still Adult tripod, which comes out like to this. You can lower it and stuff. It's what I used in the wrestling video. If you guys haven't watched that yet, it had like 288 views, which was crazy. That video went viral. I also have another camera. I have a Sony camera, not Sony, and I have a camera that, it's called Copy. That's the brand. It's just a cheaper brand that I use on my prank videos that I did a long time ago. But anyways, yeah. Also, some people are wanting to know the app I use to edit. I use Video Show. Okay, what it is, the app logo is orange and it has like a tripod or whatever on it. It's not that hard to find. You just look up Video Show. But yeah, so that's that. I really don't want to waste any time. I just want to get into the video. So yeah, we're probably going to start that right about now. Trampoline right now. Got the fidget spinners, got the tripod. We're heading up here. So yeah. Gonna toss these on here. First I want to set you guys up. Toss these guys on. Open up. You guys are gonna go here. Yeah, so that time lapse is going to start right now. Fidget spinners are on here. Okay. Alright, so this is pretty dumb. I'm going to set you guys up on trampoline, but here's just a quick look at all of those fidget spinners. Oh my gosh. For my friends that knew this before, I did get rid of a couple. So, like, if you guys want to count, I think I have like 42, maybe 45 or something. I got rid of a few. I gave them to kids, little kids, because I'm nice. Once I get done with these things, I'm probably going to sell them each for about $3. And if you want them, you can have one. I know a couple of them need some work done to them, but yeah, if you want one, you can DM me on Instagram. It's Jacob's _Jacob_spam or Jacob88 which is my main. But yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod right now so you guys can see this. Yeah, this is gonna be dumb, but I'm still gonna do this because yeah, to make you haters happy. Here we go. Shirt's coming off. There we go. my back. Oh, my back. Ouch. Oh my god. My back. Oh my god, you guys. My back hurts so bad. I'm gonna show you what happened. I gotta find all this stuff now. Oh my gosh. Here's a bearing. Oh. I just landed on this. What the heck? Ah. My back hurts so bad. Oh my gosh. Stuff is everywhere. Jeez. Let's see. Guys, I gotta find this one that broke, like, pieces broke all off of it. I don't know where it is. We're gonna take some looks here. We got this bearing that fell out. This bearing. Oh my gosh, I see one that's broke. The whole fidget spinner's broke. Whew. Guys, I was so stupid. Oh. Yeah. You watch my YouTube channel. And my back's hurting on Monday. Don't ask why. Whew. Alright. Alright, I see the two that's broken. Two of them. This one's broken. There we go. Put that back on. Okay, there we go. Guys, the bearings came out of them. That's how hard I hit those things. Here's one of them, but they're probably broke now. Probably not going to sell those ones. But if I do, I will. And this one. So I'm going to try and put these back on, or back in. See if it's possible. Oh, this one's cracked. Holy smokes. Broke those things. This one's cracked. Okay. Still spins. This one still spins. I think that's all that went everywhere. Guys, got this one from Jake Paul. Bought this one off of his webpage. This one's my custom one. First fidget spinner I ever had. This one's so soft. This is my brother's homemade looking thing. Fidget spinner. Oh, my back hurts so bad right now. This is my brother's. Changes colors. But you can't really see it in the daytime. Guys, Aftermath. They're everywhere, and they're all underneath this trampoline. They shot everywhere. I have one, probably a ton of them somewhere. Alright guys, I'll see you when I get these things cleaned up. Replayed that video and watched it, and I bounced, and those things went up in my face and everywhere. But I'm not done yet. Not yet, anyways. Putting them all back in the middle and going belly first. Yes, I did say belly first. So I'll see you guys when I get that done. I'll set you guys up. Holy crap. And I'm going belly first. This is super stupid, but I'm doing it for you guys. So here we go. What am I doing with my life? Oh! Oh! Oh my God. Ah. Dude! Oh. chest is all red. Man, at least I kept them contained that time and they didn't fly everywhere. Let's jump on the trampoline. I broke a couple of them. Dang it, I broke the purple. It's my favorite one. YouTube, you guys are so lucky. I do this crap for you. Oh, yep, there's Bang. Yep, there's another one. Yeah, alright. We broke more on belly first than we did head first. Or back first. It's probably because of my big fat butt. My big fat belly. We broke this one again. Broke this one. Jeez. Yeah, these are all the ones we broke this time. Yeah, a lot more. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there. I think we re-broke this one. Yeah. Now I don't even want to go in. I'm trying to put it in here. There we go. Guys, yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of the video. This has been a fun vlog slash challenge. I hope you liked it. Drop a thumbs up if you want the smoothie challenge and Legos trampoline versus Legos. Yeah, the music video, like I said, it keeps getting postponed because of the fact that we can't all get together on the same day. But it's gonna happen soon. Tomorrow's gonna be a pretty cool vlog. We're gonna go on a huge boat ride, and we're probably gonna shoot an action scene with Jeffrey, which will probably be pretty funny. Yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Yeah, my back and my chest are hurting pretty bad from that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 10 likes. And we're almost to the 30 subscriber mile point. We are at 28. So guys, tell your friends, get us to 30. Once we get to 30, we're going to be doing a cool giveaway of merch. Plus, 2 people that has already donated to the Texas flooding are getting entered into a drawing. Those 2 people. Also, the 2 people that also bought merch were 2 different people from that. You guys will be getting that pretty soon. I know one of you already got yours. The other one, the jacket, is still being worked on. You'll get yours pretty soon. And if you're wanting some merch, don't forget to DM me at Jacob88100. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And I will see you tomorrow. Peace.